truth. Yeah.
Elegant.
But I got the vibe too. And I have the tattoo. And I'll tell you part two.
Taking you to fame, let's go.
I ain't got the money, but I got the vibe too. Just tell me your name and I have the tattoo. My life is a story and I'll tell you part two. Since I was a child, I be fighting part two. But you leave me to follow the witches. Technically now I get my own witches. The reason why you wanna play me like witches. And your papa na pastor, you need stitches. Tell me what you get so I no get to. Share now the money, the car and the jet too. We make your body the shackle like tattoo. 247 now I'm staring out too. I'm a man but I can't hide my feelings. When I woke up I was staring at the ceiling. Calling on God knowing the pain was killing. I put my emotion into every single line. I be hoping that our love will align. And the way the system is also being designed. Loving you is something that I can't even wanna sign, yeah. What you know about love, you wanna tell me. I gave you my life, now you wanna sell me. I was open to you, all you did was show me. But that wasn't part of the plan, do you feel me? You found your happiness, I'm left in the wind. Longing for your love, drowning in this pain. Though I know you're gone, I'll carry on the weight. In this time melody, my love will resonate. Yeah, I felt it moving in my skinny chest. I was in the dark, I heard the voice, I couldn't rest. They kept talking, I felt it in my dress. They said I'm a loser, told me I'm depressed. I know I'm a man, but I can't hide my feelings. When I woke up, I was staring at the ceiling. Calling on God, knowing the pain was killing. I put my emotion into every single line. I be hoping that our love will align. And the way the system is also being designed. Loving you is something that I can assign. And the way the system is also being designed. Loving you is something that I can assign. Yeah, it's a boy true.